Hello everyone, this is Srimana and welcome to Genius Mathematics. In this video, we will see three ways to find collinear points. First, what are collinear points? So, we have any 2 points on a coordinate. Let's say we have 1, 1 and 2, 2 on a plane. These two we can draw like this, and we can say these 2 points are on a straight line. So if we have any 2 points, they can always be in a straight line. But what if we have 3 points? Let's say we have same 1, 1, 2, 2, and then we have 5, 3, let's say. If you want to check if these 3 points are on a single straight line, how do we check them? If they are on the same straight line, then they are called collinear points. That is, they are present on a same straight line. So we have here 3 ways to find whether these 3 points are on a straight line. This is just an example. So the first is area of a triangle. So from area of a triangle, how can we find if 3 points are on a straight line? So here we have 3 points. Let's say we have 3 points here. If we just join them, then we get a triangle. But how can we use this to find if these points are collinear? The thing is, if on a triangle these 2 points are on a straight line, these 2 points are on a straight line, and these 2 points are on a straight line, but all these 3 points are not on a straight line. So the 3 points will not give us a triangle if they are collinear. So this is what we are going to use here. So if we do not have a triangle, then their area will be 0. If area of a triangle equals 0, then these 3 points are collinear. So we will see this example. Now what is area of a triangle? From applying these 3 coordinates, how do we find the area? The thing is, the formula is x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3 and 1. So this is how we will do. So half of, what is x1? 5, y1, 2, like that. So we have 5, 2 and 1, 3 minus 2 and 1, 8, 8 and 1. So if this is 0, then these 3 points are on a straight line, that is, they are collinear. So half of, take this 5, so we will just 5, and then do minus 2, minus, we have to use minus here, 8, plus, take this second one, 2 of, just write these out. So we have 3, that is 3 times 1 gives 3, minus 8. Again the last one, 1. Strike these rows and columns. We have 3 times 8, 24, minus 16. So this is what we have. So we have, if the area of triangle is 0, we can say these 3 points are collinear. So solving this, 5 times minus 10 plus 2 times minus 5 plus 1 time 24 plus 16 gives 40. So half of minus 50, multiplying this, you have minus 10 plus 40. Half of minus, during the determinant, that is how we did here, 5 to 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 8, 8, 1. The basic thing is, if we put plus here, there minus, and here plus, so alternate symbols. So first we have plus 5 here, next we have positive 2, which means we need to use negative here, and the last one we use positive. If we use this. Again negative, if we are positive, negative, so that's the alternative form. So I have missed one minus here. So minus of minus gives plus. So we actually have minus 50 plus 50 gives 0, So here, since the area of triangle is 0, these 3 points are collinear. So that's the first method. So just find the area of a triangle, and if it becomes 0, then the points are collinear. So that's the first method. Now the next method is slope formula. So the slopes of these two, and we need to find the slopes of these two and then these two. If all of these slopes are same, then we can say they are collinear. So what is slope is the inclined or the inclination of the line. That is what slope refers to. So if all these are on the same slope, then we can say these three lies on a single straight line. So that's the concept behind this. So the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is, we'll take these 2 points first. We can denote as m1. M stands for slope. So y2 minus y1. Here x1, y1, x2 and y2. So y2 is minus 2 by x2 is 3 minus 5. So we have minus 4 by minus 2 gives the slope of 2. Now the next 2 points, these 2 points, here y2 is this and y1 is this. So the thing is 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 3. We have 10 minus gives plus 2. So we have 10 by 5 gives 2. So the slopes of these two are same. Now the last step is to find the slopes of these. So m3, again here 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 5. We have 6 by 3 gives 2. Since the slopes of all these 3 points are same, these 3 lie on the same straight line. That is, they are collinear. So that is the second method. That is to find the slopes 3 times. That is for pairs of these points. So slope of these 2 points and slope of these 2 points. If all of them are same, then we can say they are collinear. So that is the use of slope formula. Now the last thing is distance formula. Now we have seen distance formula, that is d equals root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the distance formula. But how can we prove this is, if these two are like the end points and this is just on the line, then the distance here must be the sum of the distances from these 2 points. So that is the concept behind that. So now to find the distance between these 2 points, let's say we have d1 root x2 minus x1 3 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 the whole square. So we have root of 3 minus 5 minus 2 the whole square is 4 plus minus 4 the whole square is 16. So we have root 20 d2. Again using these 2 points, x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 3 gives 5 and 5 square is 25 plus y2 8 minus of minus 2 gives 10. So we have 10 square so we get 100 plus 125. So this is the second point. Now d3, or we can, okay, we'll just leave it like this. d3 we have these 2 points, we take these 2 points, x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 5 gives 3 square is 9 plus y2 minus y1, 8 minus 2 is 6 square is 36. So we have root 45. So this is what we have got. Now the next thing is, that is the distance from, the maximum here is root 125. This must be equal to root 20 plus root 45, but we are not sure if that will be equal. Of course we can just take the square roots, but the square roots will be in decimals, so we will just use a method root 125, it is just root 25 times 5. Root 20 is 4 times 5 plus root, here we have 4 times, not 4, it is 5 times 9. Now root 25 is 5, so we have 5 root 5, and here we can get the 4 out of this, so we have 2 root 5, plus here we can get 9 out of it, so we have 3 root 5. Now 5 root 5 equals 5 root 5. We know this is same, so the distances are same. That is, the distance between any of these 2 points is equal to the distance, sum of distance between the other 2 points. So the overall length was root 125 and the smaller lengths were root 20 and root 45. So these 3 points are collinear. So we have seen 3 methods for finding if 3 points are collinear. So that's the thing about finding collinear. Thank you.